If you are seeing my video for the first time, I am Money. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell notification to always be the first to see my video anytime I upload a new video. Please help me to grow on this channel. Thank you very much. While we make this delicious Nigerian banga stew, let me tell you a story. There is this lady in my compound named Doris. Doris is a very good friend of mine. She is very good. She's a very hustling woman. She does her things, she do her business, she has her money. But one thing has been a bother to Doris. Doris has been married for 5 years, 5 good solid years, but she had no child of her own. She has cried, she has begged God, she has prayed, she has done so many things, even native, yet children has refused to come. You know that feeling when you are in your married age, when you are at your husband's house, you see other women giving birth, getting pregnant and giving birth, but your own case has become the opposite of it. Doris cries every night. Every midnight she will soak her bed in tears. If you see a woman looking for the fruit of the womb, pity them, because these people go through a lot. They go through a whole lot, both emotionally, physically, spiritually, everything. They go through a lot. But one thing kept Doris going. She knew that as long as her mother gave birth to her, as long as her mother got pregnant, gave birth to her, that she's going to give birth to her own children. That is what has been keeping this young lady going. And did that later work for her? Let us find out. After crying at night, Doris will always wake up in the morning, say her prayers, and then off to her business place. She doesn't play with her business. That's the only thing that gives her companion. That's the only thing that makes her strong. Going to her business, doing her business, then making a little money from what she does. That keeps her going. One fateful Sunday, Doris doesn't go to shop on Sundays. She stays at home to do her house chores. So this neighbor of mine again, not knowing that she had a very bad interest about Doris, mistakenly sent her child to go and get her something at the nearest supermarket behind the compound. The lady got back and saw that Doris sent her child to go get something for her. She started quarreling. She insulted Doris for long. She told Doris a lot of things, that she has eaten the children in her womb, that she's a witch, she's this, she's that. Oh. Doris cried like never before. She questioned her God. She asked God, why did you create me even when you knew that I wasn't going to have a child? Why did you allow me get married when you know that you will not bless me with children? What is going on? Is it when I die you will know that I have suffered and people are insulting me because you've refused to give me children? After crying and everything, she had to console herself and then pick the pieces of her life and continued. Life goes on, I guess. Guys, if you've watched me to this extent and you are still watching, please do well to subscribe. Hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video. You will be the first to see my video. Please help me to grow on this channel. Now let's continue. As Doris continued her life, acted as if nothing happened, kept on begging her God to do one miracle or the other for her, to at least help her to get pregnant. Obviously, you know that a man without a child is always an angry person. The husband, at the other hand, didn't make matter better for her. He made matter worse. As usual, Doris went to her business, but before she could come back, her husband did the unimaginable. In the afternoon, when everywhere was quiet in the compound, nobody was around, everybody has gone out for their daily meal, the husband of Doris packed all the loads and luggages in the house and left, leaving Doris in a state of dilemma. This life. Hi. As usual, she cried and cried her eyeballs out. She cried and cried and cried. Why did my husband leave? Doris asked. He left because I couldn't bear him children. But I'm not the one that gives children. I think children comes from the Lord, and that's why I've been begging him to help me, even if it's just one. This is the man I've been begging to follow me to the hospital. Let's go see the gynecologist, but he has blatantly refused. Now he left me for another woman. Doris lamented while crying. After crying, she picked the pieces of her life, put them together, and continued her life. All she